Hello, everyone. Welcome to New Tech. I am with another quick tutorial. How to fix cannot create file xampp-control.ini. Access is denied. Now, let's start. Go to this PC. And go to C drive. Then, go to the XAMPP folder. Now, select xampp-control.exe file, and right-click it. Then, go to Properties. And, select the Compatibility tab. Now, enable Run the program as an administrator. Then, click on the Apply and OK button. After that, close these windows. And, try to close the XAMPP application. Great. It's working. Okay. That's it for today. I will see you in the next tutorial, with amazing and interesting topics. And, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.